In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install X, also known as Twitter, on Windows in just a couple of simple steps. This is a great way to make the site feel more like a dedicated app, so you can open it faster and use it more conveniently right from your desktop. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and go to x.com. Once the website loads, look at the top of your screen in the address bar. On the right side of the address bar, you should see an install icon. This icon usually appears when the site supports installation as a web app. Go ahead and click that install icon. After you click it, a confirmation window will appear asking if you want to install X on your Windows device. In that pop-up, click Install to confirm. The browser will now finish setting everything up for you in the background. Once the installation is complete, X will be added to your system like a standalone app, so you can launch it more easily without needing to type the website into your browser every time. Depending on your browser settings, you may also see a shortcut created for quick access from your desktop, start menu, or taskbar. And that's it. You've now installed X or Twitter on Windows in a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.